New findings from NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission suggest that the interior of the asteroid Bennu could be weaker and less dense than its outer layers, like a crème-filled chocolate egg flying through space. The results appear in a study published today in the journal Science Advances and led by the University of Colorado Boulder's OSIRIS-REx team, including professors Daniel Scheeres and J. McMahon. The findings could give scientists new insights into the evolution of the Solar System's asteroids, how bodies like Bennu transform over millions of years or more. OSIRIS-REx rendezvoused with Bennu, an asteroid orbiting the Sun more than 200 million miles from Earth, in late 2018. Since then, the spacecraft, built by Colorado-based Lockheed Martin, has studied the object in more detail than any other asteroid in the history of space exploration. So far, however, one question has remained elusive: what's Bennu like on the inside? Scheeres, McMahon and their colleagues on the mission's radio science team now think that they have an answer, or at least part of one. Using OSIRIS-REx's own navigational instruments and other tools, the group spent nearly 2 years mapping out the ebbs and flows of Bennu's gravity field. Think of it like taking an X-ray of a chunk of space debris with an average width about the height of the Empire State Building. If you can measure the gravity field with enough precision, that places hard constraints on where the mass is located, even if you can't see it directly, said Andrew French, a co-author of the new study and a former graduate student at CU Boulder, now at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory (JPL). What the team has found may also spell trouble for Bennu. The asteroid's core appears to be weaker than its exterior, a fact that could put its survival at risk in the not-too-distant future. You could imagine maybe in 1 million years or less the whole thing flying apart, said Scheeres, a distinguished professor in the Ann and H.J. Smead Department of Aerospace Engineering Sciences. Evolution of asteroids. Of course, that's part of the fun of studying asteroids. Scheeres explained that Bennu belongs to a class of smaller bodies that scientists call rubble pile asteroids, which, as their name suggests, resemble loosely held together mounds of debris. Asteroids also change over time more than people think. None of them have sat out there unchanging since the dawn of the Solar System, Scheeres said. They're being changed by things like sunlight affecting how they spin and collisions with other asteroids. To study how Bennu and other similar asteroids may change, however, he and his colleagues needed to take a peek inside. This is where the team got lucky. When OSIRIS-REx first arrived at Bennu, the spacecraft spotted something unusual. Over and over again, tiny bits of material, some just the size of marbles, seemed to pop off the asteroid and into space. In many cases, those particles circled Bennu before falling back down to the surface. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.